Hello students and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start exercise 4.4 in which we are going to study how to find minors and cofactors of elements. Okay, so let's begin. Now let us first see what is minor of an element. Minor of an element Aij is denoted by capital M Ij. Means अगर हमारे पास element है A11 where value of I is 1 and value of j is also 1. So उसके minor को हम denote करेंगे M11. If suppose the element is A13, so minor is denoted by capital M and suffix में we are going to write 13. Clear? Now what is cofactor? Cofactor of an element Aij is denoted by capital A and in the suffix we write down Ij. Means again, if the element is A11, then its cofactor would be denoted by capital A11. If the element is A21, the cofactor is denoted by capital A21. Okay, and the formula for cofactor is minus 1 raised to I plus j into mij. Means minus 1 raised to I plus j into the minor of the corresponding element. So if suppose you want to find cofactor of A11, okay, तो पहले हम लोग क्या find करेंगे? Minor. Once we have found the minor, with the help of the minor we are going to find its cofactor. Now student, what is the purpose of studying minors and cofactors? In the next exercise 4.5, we are going to study something known as adjoint of a matrix. Okay, adjoint of a matrix क्या होता है? It is a matrix in terms of cofactors of the elements. तो वहाँ पे ये cofactors और minors यूज होने वाले हैं जिसकी मदद से हम A inverse फाइंड कर सकते हैं. Yes students, you heard it right. We can find inverse of a matrix using adjoint of a matrix. Okay, you have studied a method in matrices to find inverse using rows and column operation. So there is one more method to find A inverse of a matrix using adjoint of a matrix in which minors and cofactors are used. So in this exercise we are just studying how to find minors and cofactors. Okay, so let us begin with a 2 by 2 determinant. So suppose we have a determinant of the order 2. So it is somewhat like this. Okay, we have 4 elements in that. So we are now going to see how to find minor and cofactor. So minor of this element A11 is denoted by capital M11. Okay, just now we have seen that common symbol is Mij. So what is the minor of this element? It is the diagonally opposite element to A11. तो इसको diagonally opposite element कौन सा है? A22. So इसका minor कौन सा हो गया? A22. Clear? Likewise, if you say minor of this element A12, it is denoted by what? Capital M12 and it is इसका diagonally opposite element कौन सा है? A21. तो वो उसका minor हो गया. Likewise, coming over here, minor of A21, उसका symbol होगा M21 and उसका diagonally opposite element है A12. So that is its minor. Coming to A22, the minor is denoted by capital M22 and the minor of this element is A11. Clear students? आपको इतना समझ में आ गया how to find minor of all the elements? You just have to take diagonally opposite elements. That's it. वो उसके minor हो गए. Now coming to cofactor, we have seen the formula for cofactor. It is minus 1 raised to I plus j into mij. Okay, so cofactor of A11, okay, it would be denoted by what? Capital A11 which is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. Okay, हम लोग ने already M11 ऊपर find कर दिया है. So we already know M11. So we are putting the value over here and you very well know students that negative term raised to even power is plus 1. Okay, so यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? A22. Coming to the next element A12. So cofactor of A12 is symbol is capital A12. Formula is what? Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12. Now what we have got M12 students? A21. तो वो value यहाँ पे put कर दो and negative 1 raised to 3 which is a odd term is minus 1. तो एक minus sign यहाँ पे बचेगा. That is why you are going to get cofactor of A12 is minus A21. Clear? Coming to the third element A21. The cofactor is capital A21 and we get minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21. Now M21 we have already got A12. So we put the value over here. Once again negative 1 raised to odd power is minus 1. So the answer is minus A12. Clear? Likewise the last element cofactor of A22 denoted by capital A22. Okay. The formula is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22. Now what was M22 students? A11. तो वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट कर दो. So negative 1 raised to the power 4 is plus 1. So your answer is A11. So this is the procedure to find the minors and cofactors of a 2 by 2 determinant. Okay, let's take an example to understand better. Suppose you want to find minor and cofactor of this determinant. Okay, so it is order 2. So we can say it is of this form. It is having these 4 elements a11, a12, a21 and a22. Please tell me students, what is minor of this element? इसका माइनर सिंबल होगा कैपिटल M11 and it is what? A22. तो इसका diagonally opposite element है -3. So we have found out the minor of A11. Now we go for the cofactor. Formula is -1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. So -1 raised to 2 into M11 क्या है हमारे पास? -3. So this is going to be +1. 1 into -3 is -3. Okay. Coming to minor of A12. इसका सिंबल होता है M12. तो इसका माइनर कौन सा हो गया? इसका डायगनली ऑपोजिट एलिमेंट है -1. क्लियर? तो वी गेट A12. दैट इज नोन एज कोफैक्टर ऑफ A12. द फॉर्मूला इज -1 रेज टू 1 plus 2 into M12. M12 का आंसर क्या है? -1. तो वी पुट द वैल्यूज. -1 raised to 3 is -1. तो -1 into -1 becomes +1. Coming to the third element, इसका माइनर कौन सा हो जाएगा? M21 and it is -2. Diagonally opposite element. Okay, then we go for the cofactor denoted by capital A21, which is -1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21. M21 का वैल्यू क्या है? -2. So -1 raised to odd power is negative. So minus into -2 becomes +2. And the last element, the minor is denoted by M22. जिसका diagonally opposite element कौन सा है? 1. So we got the minor of this. Now going for the cofactor, which is -1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22. -1 raised to the power 4 is +1. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, so this is the procedure to find minors and cofactors of a 2 by 2 determinant. Okay, let's move on to finding minors and cofactors of a determinant of order 3. Now student, this is a determinant of order 3 having 9 elements. Okay, उनके general symbol तो आपको पता ही है. Now, how to find a minor? So M11 means what? Minor of A11. Okay, so how to find a minor of A11? We are going to cover the first row and the first column. जहाँ पे वो lie कर रहा है, it is lying in the first row, first column. Just cover that. So we are left with these 4 elements. तो इन चारों elements का हमको determinant लेना है. Okay, you very well know how to expand a 2 by 2 determinant. So I have not shown that step. Okay, okay. In the question, numerical values होंगे यहाँ पे, numbers would be given. You can just expand the determinant and find the corresponding minors. Now, what is A11? Again, the formula remains same. -1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. यहाँ पे जो value आपको मिला होगा, just put the value and you get your A11. Okay. Now, moving on to the next element, M12. वो कहाँ पे lie कर रहा है? First row, second column. तो उसका minor find करने के लिए just cover the first row, just cover the first column. ये जो 4 elements बच रहे हैं उसका determinant आपको लेना है. Okay. And then we use the formula for cofactor, which is -1 raised to 1 plus 2 into यहाँ पे जो भी आपको वैल्यू मिला होगा वो यहाँ पे आपको पुट करना है. क्लियर? एंड द कॉन्सेप्ट यू नाउ वेरी वेल नो कि -1 raised to इवन पावर जब भी आ रहा है तो वो +1 हो जाता है, एंड -1 raised to जब भी ऑड पावर आ जाता है वो माइनस हो जाता है. ओके, सो माइनस इंटू M12 यू गेट -M12. कमिंग टू M13, इसका मतलब क्या है? माइनर ऑफ A13. सो कवर द फर्स्ट रो एंड द थर्ड कॉलम. So we are left with determinant of these 4 elements. So यहाँ पे दिखाया हुआ है. Okay. Now coming to A13, -1 raised to 1 plus 3 into यहाँ पे जो भी आपको वैल्यू मिलेगा you put over here. Okay. -1 raised to the power 4 becomes +1. So the answer is M13. Okay. Likewise coming to M21. M21 means minor of A21. कहाँ पे lie कर रहा है वो? Second row, first column. So cover the second row, first column. We are left with these 4 elements. तो उनका determinant आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगा. Okay. Then go for the formula for A21, -1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21, which is -M21. Likewise for M22, it is minor of A22. Cover the second row, second column. तो ये cover कर लिया. So we are left with these 4 elements. Okay, you can see. And then expand it, you get M22. And then A22, -1 raised to 4 into M22. So ये हो जाएगा +1. So you get M22. Okay, students, I hope you can understand the remaining part. Okay, moving to 2 important points which you need to understand. Okay, coming to the first point, the value of any third order determinant can be obtained by adding the products of the elements of any rows or columns by their corresponding cofactors. Means students, consider any one row or any one column. For example, we are considering the first row. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक एलिमेंट फर्स्ट रो में कौन सा है, A11, तो मल्टीप्लाई द एलिमेंट एंड इट्स कोफैक्टर प्लस टेक द सेकेंड एलिमेंट एंड इट्स कोफैक्टर प्लस A13 इंटू इट्स कोफैक्टर. तो अगर मैंने इन तीनों प्रोडक्ट्स को ऐड कर दिया तो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू गेट इज वैल्यू ऑफ D. Likewise, you can take the second row, A21 into its cofactor plus A22 into its cofactor plus A23 into its cofactor. You can take the third row as well. You can take the first column as well. You can take the second column as well. You can take the third column as well. If you take any of these values, the value remains same. Okay, students, if you have understood, actually ये first चीज जो यहाँ पे दिख रहे हो आप, it is what expanding the determinant along the first row. आपको याद आ रहा है फर्स्ट लेक्चर में we have studied how to find the determinant when you expand along the first row, if you are expanding along the second row, if you are expanding along the third row. देखो ना, याद करो, मैंने आपको साइन कन्वेंशन का एक डिटर्मिनेंट बताया था ऐसे प्लस माइनस प्लस. ओके, तो इफ यू आर एक्सपांडिंग अलॉन्ग द फर्स्ट रो, व्हाट वी हैव स्टडीड दैट वी चेंज द साइन ऑफ द एलिमेंट A12, है ना. तो A11 के लिए हम लोग क्या लेते हैं, एलिमेंट इंटू दिस फोर एलिमेंट्स का डिटर्मिनेंट. देन यू मूव अहेड, यू टेक माइनस ऑफ दिस. वो माइनस क्यों लेते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोफैक्टर. देखो यहाँ पे क्योंकि यू आर गेटिंग माइनस M12. ओके, फिर यहाँ पे देखो जब यू आर टेकिंग M13. ओके, तो M13 में क्या मिलता है हमको, फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम कवर कर लो. तो याद आ रहा है एलिमेंट A13 इंटू द डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ दिस. वाई वी आर टेकिंग प्लस, बिकॉज योर कोफैक्टर इज पॉजिटिव. समझ में आ रहा है. तो व्हेन यू आर एक्सपांडिंग अलॉन्ग द फर्स्ट रो, योर A12 इज नेगेटिव ऑफ M12. दैट इज वाई यू आर टेकिंग माइनस साइन ओवर हियर. क्लियर, समझ में आ रहा है दैट कॉन्सेप्ट. So that sign convention determinant is coming according to the concept of cofactors. Clear? Well, coming to the second point. If we multiply all the elements of any row or column of a third order determinant by the cofactors of the corresponding elements of any other row or column and the products are added, the sum is 0. Don't worry, I'll brief you. Okay. Suppose if you are taking the first row elements and you are taking the cofactors of the second row elements, तो अगर मैं उनका प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करता हूँ और ऐड करता हूँ तो मीन्स A11 इंटू द कोफैक्टर ऑफ A21 प्लस A12 इंटू द कोफैक्टर ऑफ A22 प्लस A13 इंटू द कोफैक्टर ऑफ A23, योर आंसर वुड बी व्हाट, 0. लाइकवाइज मैंने फर्स्ट रो के एलिमेंट्स लिए और थर्ड रो के एलिमेंट के कोफैक्टर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे आंसर आएगा 0. Same happens in the column. If you are taking the elements of column number 1 and you are multiplying with the corresponding cofactors of column number 2, so your answer would be 0. Likewise, if I am taking the elements of first column and the corresponding cofactors of the third column और उनके products को add कर रहा हूँ, तो जैसे कि A11 into you can say capital A13 plus next element है A21 into capital A23 plus you can say A31 into A33. Again your sum would be what, 0. Means आप जब भी rows में consider कर रहे हो तो if you are multiplying the elements with the cofactors of the other row and adding the product, you are going to get the answer as 0. Clear? Okay. So students, I hope you have understood how to find minors and cofactors of a determinant of the order 2 and the determinant of the order 3. So let's begin the exercise. Okay. Coming to exercise 4.4, the first question, write the minors and cofactors of the elements of the following determinants. Means हमको 2 by 2 determinant दिया हुआ है. You want to find the value of the minors and the cofactors. Okay. So let's start. Let D is equal to this determinant. You can say it is of this form. 4 elements present है इसमें. तो again we start with minor of A11. इसका minor कौन सा होगा? Diagonally opposite element which is 3. एंड कोफैक्टर का फॉर्मूला लगा दो, A11 इज -1 रेज टू 1 + 1 इंटू M11. सो -1 रेज टू 2 आएगा और M11 का वैल्यू मिला है 3. सो इट्स बिकम 1 इंटू 3 विच इज 3. ओके, लाइकवाइज इफ यू से M12 मीन्स व्हाट, माइनर ऑफ A12. इसका डायगोनली ऑपोजिट एलिमेंट क्या है, 0. तो A12 वुड बी व्हाट, कैपिटल A12 इज द कोफैक्टर विच इज -1 रेज टू 1 + 2 इंटू इट्स माइनर. तो -1 रेज टू 3 into 0. So anything into 0 is 0. Likewise m21 minor of this element क्या होगा, इसका diagonally opposite element क्या है, -4. Then go for the cofactor. A21 is -1 raised to 2 plus 1 into m21. So -1 raised to 3 मिलेगा और m21 हमको मिला है -4. So this is actually what, -1. -1 into -4 is +4. Then go for m22. Minor of this element is the diagonally opposite element, which is 2. So you write down that. And then go for the cofactor, which is -1 raised to 2 plus 2 into m22. m22 का वैल्यू है 2 and -1 raised to even the power 4 is +1. So 1 into 2 is 2. Clear, students, how to find minor and cofactor of a 2 by 2 determinant. I think, students, you can try this second one on your own. Please pause the video and try this on your own. I hope, students, you have got the solution. Please verify your answer. Okay, students, let's move to question number 2, in which you want to find minors and cofactors of a determinant of order 3. Okay, you start the solution. Let D is equal to the given determinant, which is of this form. So हमारे पास यहाँ पे 9 elements है. Okay, so we start with minor of A11. So what do we do is we cover the first row, first column. उसका जो determinant मिलेगा आपको 1 minus 0, which is 1, and then you go for the formula for cofactor, which is -1 raised to 1 plus 1 into m11. So ये -1 raised to 2 into 1. So it is actually 1 into 1, which is 1. Then you move ahead, minor of A12. Okay, so it is first row, second column का element, तो उसको cover कर दो. So we are left with these 4 elements. Okay, then value of this determinant is what? 0 minus 0. So you get 0. Then go for cofactor, -1 raised to 1 plus 2 into m12, which is -1 raised to 3 is -1 into 0, which is 0. Okay, moving ahead with minor of A13. इसका minor कैसे मिलेगा? Cover the first row and the third column. So you are left with determinant of these 4 elements. Okay, so if you expand this, you get 0 minus 0, which is 0. So cofactor में आएगा -1 raised to 1 plus 3 into m13, which is -1 raised to 4 into 0, which is 0. Coming to m21, minor of A21. Okay, so cover the second row and the first column. Okay, so we are left with these 4 elements. So if you expand the determinant again, so 0 minus 0, you get 0. Then A21 is -1 raised to 2 plus 1 into m21. So -1 raised to 3 into m21 का वैल्यू मिला है 0. So your answer is 0. Okay, moving to the m22. m22 मतलब minor of A22 obtained by covering the second row and the second column. Okay, so we are going to get like this 1 0 0 1. So if you expand, we are going to get 1 minus 0, which is 1. And then you go for A22, which is -1 raised to 2 plus 2 into m22. So you are going to get 1 into 1, which is 1. Clear? Moving ahead with m23. Second row, third column को cover कर लो. So we are going to get determinant of these 4 elements. So again we get 1 0 0 0. So if you expand, you are going to get 0 minus 0, which is 0, and then you find the cofactor, -1 raised to 2 plus 3 into m23. m23 का value 0 put करो, so you get the answer as 0. Then go for m31, minor of the element A31. So cover the third row and the first column. तो ये 4 element का determinant मिलेगा हमको. Okay, so find the value, you get 0. Again A31 would be 0. Then go for m32, which is minor of the element A32. So cover the third row and the second column. So you get determinant of these 4 elements. Okay, so if you expand, again you are going to get 0. बहुत सारे आंसर 0 आ रहे हैं. Okay, then you go for A32, -1 raised to 5 into 0, which is 0. Then the last element is A33. Okay, so cover the third row and the third column. So you are left with determinant of these 4 elements. Okay, so if you expand, you get 1 minus 0, which is 1. And then go for A33, -1 raised to 3 plus 3 into m33, -1 raised to 6 into 1, which is 1 into 1, which is 1. Understood, students? Okay, second question is exactly the similar. Let D is equal to determinant of the order 3. I hope, students, you can solve this question on your own. Please pause the video and try this and then verify your answer. I hope, students, you have got the answer. Very nice. Moving to the question number 3. Now, using cofactors of the elements of the second row, evaluate delta. Now what is this delta, students? Delta is just another symbol for determinant. Okay, so there are 3 symbols of determinant, you can say. It is basically determinant of A, or you can say delta, or you can say det of A. ये सारे सिम्बॉल्स डिटर्मिनेंट के हैं, वन एंड द सेम थिंग. Okay, so using cofactors of elements of the second row means what? You have to expand the determinant along the second row. लेकिन हम लोग expansion नहीं बताएंगे, हम लोग cofactor का concept use करके value of determinant निकालेंगे. Okay, it is one and the same thing, but we are just going to take the help of cofactors. So if you are expanding along the second row means what do we do is a21 into cofactor of a21 plus a22 into cofactor of a22 plus a23 into cofactor of a23. मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स हमारे पास a21, a22 और a23 तो है डायरेक्टली. वी जस्ट नीड टू फाइंड द कोफैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट एंड दिस एलिमेंट. ओके, सो पहले कोफैक्टर फाइंड करने के लिए वी फर्स्ट नीड टू फाइंड इट्स माइनर. तो माइनर ऑफ a21, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गेट दैट? कवर द सेकेंड रो इन द फर्स्ट कॉलम. So we get determinant of these four elements. Okay, so you get 9 minus 16, which is minus 7. Then go for a21, which is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into m21. So negative 1 raised to odd power is minus. तो ये actually क्या है? minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 7 is 7. Okay, then you take the next element. You know a22, then go for minor of a22. Minor of a22 कैसे मिलेगा? Cover the second row, second column. So we are left with these four elements. So if you expand this, you get 5 minus 8, which is minus 3. Then you go for the cofactor, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into m22. So minus 1 raised to 4 into m22 का वैल्यू क्या है? minus 3. तो एक्चुअली ये क्या है? plus 1. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Then we go for m23, which is minor of a23. So we cover the second row and the third column. So we are left with determinant of these four elements. Okay. Now if you expand, you get 10 minus 3, which is 7. Then a23 is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into m23. So minus 1 raised to 5 into 7. Negative 1 raised to odd power is minus. So ये actually minus 1 है. Minus 1 into 7 is minus 7. Now once we have got all the three cofactors, we again write the formula and then just put the values a21 into the cofactor plus a22 into the cofactor plus a33 into the cofactor, and then you simplify and you get your answer as 7. Moving to question number 4. Using cofactors of the elements of the third column, evaluate delta. Means यहाँ पे हमने expand किया था along the second row. Means we had used the cofactors of the second row. You will be using cofactors of the third column. Okay. So can you tell me students, third column के along अगर cofactors हमको use करने हैं, तो what would be its formula? Just try that. It is a13 into capital A13 plus a23 into capital A23 plus a33 into capital A33. Okay, means a13 into its cofactor plus a23 into its cofactor plus a33 into its cofactor. Okay, now हमारे पास ये सारे एलिमेंट्स के वैल्यू तो है. We now have to find its cofactors. So beginning with m13. m13 means minor of a13. So cover the first row and the third column. So we are left with these four elements, so you get z minus y. Then go for its cofactor, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into m13, which is z minus y. So it remains z minus y. Then you go for m23. Second row, third column का minor find करेंगे तो cover the second row and the third column. So we are left with determinant of 1x, 1z. So if you expand, you get z minus x. Then go for its cofactor, which is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into m23. Negative 1 raised to the power odd is minus 1. So you get minus 1 into z minus x, which is x minus z. Okay, then coming to m33, minor of a33, which is covering the third row and the third column. So we get determinant of this four element. Okay, so you get y minus x. Then go for its cofactor, a33 minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 into m33 minus 1 raised to 6 into m33 का value है y minus x. So negative 1 raised to even power is actually plus 1. So 1 into y minus x is y minus x. Okay, so now we have got all the three cofactors. We write the formula again and we put the value a13 into its cofactor plus a23 into its cofactor plus a33 into its cofactor. Okay, now students we need to simplify further. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? ब्रैकेट ओपन कर देंगे. तो yz multiplies here, so you get yz square. It multiplies here, so you get minus y square z. So yz square minus y square z. Then move ahead. Zx multiplies here, so you get zx square minus z square x. ये यहाँ पे multiply होगा तो xy square minus x square y. Okay, now once we have got the 6 terms, we are going to simplify further. In the last two terms, we can take something common. If you take minus xy common, what we are going to get here is x minus y. Okay, and among these four terms, we are going to combine those terms having z and those terms having z square. So यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, zx square को पहले लिखो minus y square z, and these two terms are the terms with the z square. So इन दोनों term में से we are going to write yz square minus z square x. Okay, now among these two terms we can take z common. So we are left with what, x square minus y square. इन दोनों terms में से we can take minus z square common so that you get x minus y. Okay, तो अभी आपको पता चला होगा कि why we are doing like this is because you want to get a term involving x minus y. Okay, so now you know a square minus b square जैसा है ये, so it is a minus b into a plus b, so you get x minus y into x plus y minus z square x minus y as it is, this term as it is. Now among these three terms we can take x minus y common. So if you are taking that common, you are left with z into x plus y. यहाँ से minus z square will remain and your minus xy will remain. Again, if you expand this term, you get zx plus zy minus z square minus xy. Now among these four terms, we are taking yz minus xy term together, and among these two terms, we are taking minus sign common, so it becomes z square minus zx. Now between these two terms, what is common? Y is common, so you are left with z minus x, and here you can take minus z common, so you are left with z minus x. So if you take z minus x common now, so we are going to get your y minus z. So your final answer is x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. Okay, coming to the question number 5, which is a MCQ question. If delta is a 3 by 3 determinant and capital Aij is the cofactor of Aij, then the value of delta is. Okay, he is asking us the value of the determinant in terms of elements and its cofactor. Okay students, so what is delta? It is addition of the products of the elements and its cofactor. So please choose the best option. Yes, it is option number D. देखो यहाँ पे element A11 into its cofactor plus element A21 into its cofactor plus element A31 into its cofactor. Okay, तो ये actually कहाँ पे expand किया हम लोग ने? This is expansion of column number 1. Okay students, I hope you have understood exercise 4.4 in which we have studied how to find minors and cofactors. In the next exercise, we are going to study about adjoint of a matrix and to find inverse with the help of adjoint of a matrix. Till then, take care and goodbye. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel in case you have not subscribed.